My name is Payson, and I'm going to open up some Shopkins. So, I will get started. You don't want me to help. I open up one of these before. So, let me get started. I keep getting started. So my mommy's helping me. So this is what it looks like when it's out. So I'm going to take out the Shopkins, and you see it got some of these, and I really know about it. I don't know what it is. So
let's turn it over to the phone.
What is this?
Juicy orange.
Juicy orange. This is a juicy orange.
Common.
Common. It's uncommon and
Right there.
see, common.
Okay.
So, and we got the spray. Well, I got that one, but it's in yellow. I got one in pink. Not this. No. Let me show you.
Refreshener.
Refreshener. And this is refreshener. Put it up close. I'm going to put it up.
Keep going.
See? Shocking here. So, and I'm going to get the soft one. Just let my mommy feel it first. Okay, Mama, can you please feel it? No, that isn't white.
Soft. That's called Baby Puff.
Baby Puff. And feel it.
I did.
It's soft. Yeah. This is a Baby Puff, right? Baby Puff. Okay, what is in her? Is her a comment?
She is a special edition.
Special edition. Special edition. As it's heading. So, and I got some party. Like a birthday card.
Mary Meringue.
Mary Meringue.
Nope, that's not it.
Yeah.
This one. Cupcake Chick.
Cupcake Chick.
And she's a rare.
Her is a rare. So, you can see a closer look. Chopping. I don't know.
Keep going.
Then, what is this? What is this?
Look.
It's hard to get out.
Stay in front of the camera.
Okay, Mama, what is this?
It says gum.
It's gum. What kind is it? What kind is it?
Yummy gum.
Yummy gum. What kind is it?
It's a common.
And it's yummy gum, and it's in common.
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 Okay.
Common, right here.
Payson is too close. There you go.
Can you see it?
Keep going.
So, you know what? Guess what I'm going to do next? The toilet paper. Gotcha. Okay. Hey, come on. I'm going to come on, but I will wear the orgy. There's more food over here. Come on, I'm a food. Okay. So, here's toilet paper. See that line that you cut there?
Let me see which one it is.
Toilet paper.
Leafy.
It's leafy. What is it?
Common.
Common. So, can you look? See yellow?
Keep going.
Okay.
You're running out of time.
First,
Pace in.
so I put them in 9. So, my mom's acting weird. You can see it, right? See? So, this is ketchup or mustard. Look, it's a. Let me see it. No, not that one.
Cornell mustard.
Got Cornell mustard. What is it?
Common.
Common. And it's in a common. Can you see it? And I'm gonna put it over here. I only got 3 more left. And got some bags of Shopkins too. Not gonna everywhere. And I got Booty Boot.
Betty Boot.
Betty Boot.
Rare.
Where? I already got this one.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that's done. I love Shopkins. And so is Cookies Will See. They like Shopkins too.
Mm-hmm.
Shopkins. They love Shopkins. You remember her name? What? You remember her name?
Brenda Blender.
You remember her name?
Mm-hmm.
You just onion.
Boo-hoo onion.
Boo-hoo onion. It's crying. See the
Mhm.
letter.
Do these.
What? So, I'm going to do some more Shopkins. Ah! And, Actually, we got this one again. And book.
Ooh.
What?
I think you have it open.
I already got this one.
A duplicate.
It's okay. Funny. It's kind of funny.
Let me see it.
I already got that one, but it's still cute.
Can't see. Pamela Pancake.
Hello, pancake.
That one's a ultra rare.
Ultra rare. This is the ultra rare. And see Shopkins. Got it.
Here you go.
Okay. Oh, pretty cute.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, honey. I'm honey. Honey.
Honey?
Yeah. It's honey.
We'll tell them bye. Thanks for looking.
Thanks for looking. Bye. And leave me in the comments if you want to see more Shopkins when we open up Shopkins. Goodbye.